if you want to help out the channel, you can head over to my Patreon, try to get yourself a mug, sticker, or tote bag. There are tier systems set up over there. I will put the link in the description, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my live streams. I do exclusive giveaways. You can try and get yourself a Zippo, and also I'll have a PayPal link in the description too if you want to donate to the channel that way. All right, everybody, I got a mystery box here sent in from my friend, friend of the channel, Anthony Amato. Me and him actually met in the Zippo YouTube channel comments a year ago. And I'm gonna clip to a spot right now, and I'll talk about that 1 second. I'm just gonna show that. So here's the first time I actually met Anthony. We're talking about the 41 replica in red crackle, and just how we want him to bring it back, and that he subscribed to my channel. This is where I first met him, and it was on the 2020 collectible Zippo of the year. And I'm sorry, people, you're probably not gonna like my comment on it. I was going through some things maybe, and I don't know. I was pretty rude about that later on there. I was very vocal about it. I feel bad for the comment now, to be honest, but that's where I first met Anthony. If you want to go check it out and see, it's pretty funny. And there's multiple comments too on there. So all right, we're back. So Anthony, like I said, long friend of the channel. We had met really funnily, and we've been friends ever since. We email each other back and forth. This guy is a long-time collector. You know, he's just like Jeremy, man. These guys are old pioneers. They were at the swap meets all the time, doing everything, man. They were just very active, these guys, in the collecting community. They have Zippos I've never seen in their collection. Anthony sends me pictures, and Jeremy sends me pictures, and they don't show you guys, but like, man, they got some Zippos, dude. Let me tell you. So big shout out to Anthony. So cool of him to do. And I just want to let you know, he paid almost $40 American for this to get here, man. Like, that's how real shipping's costing. Like, that's crazy, dude. Why is shipping costing so much? What's going on? We got to get together on this. This is crazy. Like, I used to be able to, 2 years ago, I used to be able to ship Zippo to the States for $6. What happens? What happened, man? So anyways, let's get on with the video. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't opened this. I have went over and I have ripped off all of Anthony's private information on one side, all my private information on the other side. I have not opened this. I did cut the tape. There's no way in hell I'm going to spoil a surprise on this. I did not open this. But there's a ton of personal information on there. I had to take it off. Okay, now. Okay, we had to tape this. All right. Okay. Okay, I can already tell by the box that this is something crazy, but I would never disrespect Anthony by not reading the note before I open this box. But let me just tell you this. My heart is booming with excitement right now, because if the Zippo that's supposed to be in this box, I did see a flash of the cover. I already know what this could be. It could be. I do not know, but it could be. We will see. My favorite collectors carry Zippo. Hope you enjoy the crap out of it. I use junk insert for carry, original insert enclosed. We'll email you more details on it after you get it. Minor dings, scratches where and when I bought it. I carried it in a nylon pouch. Enjoy. Anthony. Harley Owners Group. Oh man, look at the cool note he wrote this off for me, man. Like Harley paper, man. That's sick. And let's see when he mailed this. May 10th. May 10th. It's now June 8th. You can't see it there. It's June 8th now. Oh man, this thing took almost a month to get there. I've been tracking it the whole time. It was stuck at customs for a week. Anthony was very worried about it, and I don't blame him. I would have been too. So let's get into this, man. Like, oh my lord, if this is the Zippo that is supposed to be in this box, man, I'm going to lose my cool. Like, okay, the 60th anniversary, 1932 to 1992, custom wood box. Look at that deep engrave on there. You know, actually, like, I'm gonna shine up the brass on this. I'm gonna completely restore this box. Like, I'm gonna shine up the brass on this, and I'm not gonna sand or do nothing, none of that stuff. I'm just gonna put a little mineral oil on that and bring that back to life. Wow, man. Oh, dude, if this is the Zippo that's supposed to be in here, I'm going to lose my cool. It is. Oh my lord, man. Wait, what are you doing getting rid of these, Anthony? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Oh my god, you know how hard these are to find? Holy shit, dude. This is nuts. This is nuts. Anthony, wow, man. Like, how could you part with this? Do you have a double? Like, what is going on here? Okay, everybody, if you have no idea what this Zippo is, let me tell you what this Zippo is. I already know what this is, okay? This is a limited edition, one-time offer. The print on this Zippo, like this picture that you see right here, you will never see again on another Zippo. This is an original print designed just for this Zippo. You could see it has the engine turn design with the lines on it, just like the commemorative Zippo actually coming out, the Founder collectible that's coming out. You might have seen my video on it. Okay, so now you're probably wondering what this is. This is a fabric like chamois to wipe silver. You know why? Because this isn't silver plated, baby. This thing is solid silver. Look at this. Boom. Sterling. Made in USA. Solid sterling silver, this Zippo. Are you crazy, man? This is nuts. This is nuts. You guy gave me a solid silver Zippo. Like, I cannot believe this. I only have one other solid silver Zippo, and I'll tell you, you could buy a solid silver Zippo. You know how much this thing's worth? Do you have any idea how much this thing's worth? It's almost priceless, man. Like, you just can't get these. You just can't get these. And people who worked at Zippo and got these, they didn't use them. Anthony's out here using it. And the best thing is, man, this is silver, dude. This is pure silver. What does it say on the back? What does that say? Okay, so this is probably the initial of the guy who owned it. All right, because those aren't Anthony's initials. So when they gave these out, guess here. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Before we go into any of that, I'll read you the little thing that comes with it. This is what came with this Zippo, okay? I'll read it for you. Upside down. This 60th anniversary commemorative lighter has been designed and produced exclusively as a gift for employees and associates of the Zippo Manufacturing Company. The solid sterling silver lighter is a limited edition. The logo and inscription are unique to this model and it will not be available for sale to the general public. It is presented to you in appreciation of your contribution toward the substantial growth of the organization. The lighter is certain to become a collector's item. Yeah, no doubt, man, no doubt. As we prepare to celebrate our 60th anniversary, we also mark the completion of the most successful year in the history of the company. For the important part you played in this accomplishment, we thank you. Sincerely, Harriet B. Wick, Senator D. Dorn, Michael. These are all people that are up in the office there at Zippo. Wow, man. Like, see, so now I just read you the thing. Like, this was only given out to a few employees. I off the top of my head, I cannot tell you how many of these are made right now. That's something I'll have to talk to Anthony about. He'd probably know more than that about me. He probably even knows the guy who this was, because he told me a guy gave him to this at a swap meet. Like, a guy handed him this and said, here, you can have it. Like, that's how he got it. So, 60th anniversary commemorative lighter, limited edition. And it doesn't say anywhere how many was made. But there is one dig in it. Don't give a shit. Like, that won't bother me. That doesn't affect me in any way, because I would never, ever in my life sell this. You know what I mean? Like, never with that guy. I don't care what money you threw at me. Like, this is a gift, man. This is something special. This is amazing, dude. Like, and he doesn't want me just to keep it in a box either. He wants me to use it. Like, he had mentioned that, you know, like, he wants me to enjoy this thing. He wants me to use it here and there, bring it out and tell a story about it. Like, oh my man, dude, you don't understand. Like, never in my life did I thought I'd own one of these. Like, what this is insane. Like, this is crazy. This is so collectible. Like, you know what I mean? You buy the collectible of the year thinking it's collectible, okay, and oh yeah, you know, this is gonna go up in value, that's why I'm buying it. No, man. This this is collectible. Like, this is like 10 leagues above that collectible of the year lighter. Like, you gotta understand, this is an employees only. This is made to the employee. This is initial to the employee they gave it to on there from the Zippo factory, man. And look, they even have the date on there, December 23rd, 1993. So, like, it took them a whole year to give these out. This is from 1992 or whatever. And they gave it away at the end of 1993. So that tells you, man, like they were giving these out to who's who and who was helping and who was big at the time in the company, and maybe a few big distributors at the time. Zippo usually took care of their own, but now with the internet and things, now they have distributors way more and all over the world. But wow, man, like I can't believe that. That is just not something that gets done every day. People just do not do that. This blows my mind, man. Like, this is going up on the top rack of my collectible shelves. Like, not a lot of Zippo get to make it to my top rack. So this, I might actually build a higher tier rack to put this one on, man. Like, holy shit, dude. Like, I can't believe the generosity of that guy. I'm making him a red crackle lighter. Like, I'm trying to paint a few lighters with some red crackle spray and see what kind of textures I get, durability. So before I send him one, I want to test a few and make sure that I'm going to be able to make him one and send him a good one. So Jeremy, not Jeremy, sorry, I meant to say Anthony. Sorry, I'm used to Jeremy sending me all these boxes. Anthony, I'm sorry, man. I'm going to be sending you that red crackle, but like I said, I'm going to do a few first, and I'm going to test them. I'm going to make sure they're good, and then I'm going to customize a few, and I'm going to see what I can do for you. I want to do something completely genuine, never done on YouTube, never done by anybody, just for you, bud, just for this, and I'm going to make a video for it. Thanks so much, man. Like, the history of this Zippo and the collectability of this Zippo is through the charts, man. You just don't find these. You just don't find these. Solid silver, too. I'm going to be having a video to show you guys how to clean this. Let's see what the inside is. Yes, you can tell it's heavily used. The inside's all black with soot. That's nothing. When I clean this will all be good. The hinge is fair. It's not too bad. There isn't a lot of damage. But back then, luckily, they were making good hinges still, so I don't have to worry about that. I probably won't even tweak it. This is the original insert that came with it. I probably won't use it. I'll probably just put in my butane insert or something like that. This could be my table lighter for sure. Like, this thing is sick, man. So stay tuned for that video where I complete. Oh, I didn't show you the inside. Sorry. Yeah, you could tell by the inside. Solid silver all the way through. Just got to be cleaned up. I'll put that in the ultrasonic cleaner. 10 minutes. Look brand new. All right, man. So thanks. Stay tuned for more. Everyone, if you can throw Anthony some love down in the comments, man, like that is amazing, dude. That is amazing. You couldn't, if you could see a smile on my face, you realize you couldn't kick it off my face. So anyways, man, thank you so much, Anthony. Appreciate that. This is so cool. Oh man, I just can't stop. Oh, thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to end this. I'm going to email Anthony before I post this video. If there's any additional information I can edit in here, I'm going to do that before I post it. All right, I'll see you in the next one, guys.